This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne London. Here is your chance to get into a gorgeous new and unit 2-bedroom townhome with an attached garage located in the sought-after area of northern Suffolk. Beautiful open floor plan with abundant natural light. First floor primary suite with walk-in closet and lots of additional storage throughout the house. Open loft for media room, office, flex, or playroom. Beautiful modern kitchen. Centrally located near Bennettts Creek Park, CREEKSIDE Elementary School, and library. Amenities include playgrounds, a pool, an exercise room, and a clubhouse in Parkside. Ground maintenance includes hedges and front lawn. Close to JFCOM, Bridge Tunnel, shopping, recreation, and fabulous restaurants. Community pool. For more information, review the details below.